sa talk at sa mabibans channel sa mag-season at sa siselsa is sa mangingina atan at sa siselsa. So hello everybody, my name is Sam and I come from Samish. My traditional name is Chalem, and I started learning about marine biology when I was 14 from Sandy out here on these islands, so it's been a couple decades. So I'm honored to be back here doing this work. The work that we're doing is restoring Chalem, eelgrass, and Chalem is a nursery for many different species that support many other species, including the Samish, the salmon, and the Coast Salish, the orca whale. It's kind of like a baby house, in a out. It's a nursery, a baby. These ceremonial labors that we do, it's part of traditional ways that the work is set with the intention, and that we acknowledge the history and the spirituality and the connectedness that we all have to this place, and that also means from every generation. These ceremonial labors that we do, it's part of traditional ways that the work is set with the intention, and that we acknowledge the history and the spirituality and the connectedness that we all have to this. Grateful for everyone that's here and all the partners taking care of this ecosystem. So we're gonna offer up a prayer song. It's a gathering song that comes from Halitzalia from the Samish Nation. We're really grateful for them. To close the circle, we want to acknowledge Sandy for all the years of work that he's done, and all of the people that he's inspired to do this work, like many more here today, students of marine biology and students of the saltwater at Salsa. And so we have a blanket that we'd like to wrap you in to honor.
Oh, you're helping me. Yep.